Welcome to your daily workout. Get up on your feet and let's begin. Starting with a wonderful warm-up to get the blood circulated, get the energy flowing through the body, and we're gonna do some low-impact aerobics today to burn that body fat, burn that butter, that's right. And today we're gonna talk about your hips and thighs and really zero in on those spots, that's right. No more saddlebags, so let's get started. And stretch, stretch, that's it. Feel the body stretch. Elongate your spine. That's it. Wake up that back. Beautiful stretch for the spine. Isn't it beautiful here in Mexico? Stretch. Okay, now let's take it a little further forward. Just stretch it out. That's it. Stretch, stretch. Really feel the body reaching. That's it. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Get up on your feet and do this with me. Feel as though I'm your personal trainer, right there in the privacy of your own home. Isn't that great? Come on, keep stretching. 2 more. Reach it out, stretch it out. Beautiful, last one. Good, and let's hold it. Hold it. Stretch through the calves. That's it, good. Hold that stretch, take it down and up, down and up. Use those thigh muscles. Beautiful. Is your tummy in? Great. Suck it in. We all need to practice that so it stays there naturally. That's right. 2 more. 1 more. Now hold it there. Squeeze the buns. Hold it. That's it. Hold it. Stretching out the front of your thigh, the quadriceps. That's it. Great. Turn to the other side and hold the stretch. Calf muscles stretch. Hold it down. Good. Ready? Take it forward. Down and up. Really use your thigh muscles here. Good. They warm up your body a lot quicker. And the more calories you're burning, that way you'll really slim down the body. So we're working more muscles. The more muscles you use, the more calories you burn. Isn't that great? 2 more. 1 more. Beautiful. Now hold that stretch. Remember, this is a great stretch for the front of your thighs and the hip flexors. Hold it there. Hold it there. Beautiful. Hold. Now stretch it in the inner thighs. Stretch it down. Stretch it down. This is a great inner thigh exercise. For those of you that have bad backs, place your hands on your thighs for support of the lower spine. That's it. Keep your back straight. Keep your tummy tight. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Lift up the abs. Good. You got it. We're going to give you some energy today. That's right. Because exercise means energy. The oxygen flowing through the body gives you the energy you need. 2 more. Last one. Now hold it there. Hold it. Stretching out through the inner thighs. Notice my toe is up. That's a great inner thigh stretch. Oh, no more jigglies inside those legs. Good. Get that circulation right where we need it. And to the other side. Stretch it out. Beautiful. Great stretch in the inner knee, the inner thigh. Beautiful. Hold it there. Hold it there. And come up. Let's stretch out the back. Ready? Stretch it up. Release. Up and release. Excellent for the lower spine. If you have a bad back, this is a stretch to do every day if you can. This is a great one. 2 more. 1, 2, and roll all the way up. Roll up. And stretch it out. Stretch it out. Are you ready for aerobics? Let's burn that butter. Come on. March in place. Here we go. Are you ready to pump those arms, pump those legs? No stopping here now here. You got to move the body to burn those calories and burn fat. You even have to go through the commercials to really get that fat burning effect. That's right. Good. Okay, just march it up. March. Pick up those arms, pick up those knees, and move it. Move. You're doing great. Here's your chance to burn fat from all over the body. Shed that extra layer of fat. Right here. Pump. Pump. Good. Ready. And shake it. Shake it down. A little funky. Push it down. You got it. Good. Press. Press. Good. Use your arms. Use your legs. Right here. Low impact. No jumping or jarring to the joints, but you're still burning calories, burning fat, getting the heart rate up, working the cardiovascular system. Now pump it, pump your arms. That's it. Pump those arms. You got them, use them. That's it. If you rest, you'll rust. Woo, come on. You could do it. 2 more. Okay, now hold it here. Gonna do a little grapevine. Let's work it to the side. Good, side. That's it. Good, reach out. You're doing great. Keep moving, that's the key to fitness. Endurance, yes. We'll have the stamina, the vitality. Good. Keep it going. Good. Move that whole body. You're doing great. I'm proud of you, just don't stop. A couple more just like this. We're gonna add on. Good. Last one. Good, now hold it here. Punch it. That's it. Good, you got it? Switch sides. Good, punch it. 2 more. Okay, ready, grapevine. Hold it. Great, grapevine. And hold. And grapevine. And hold it. Good, grapevine. Push it, push it. Push yourself, give it all you got, here you go. This is where it counts now. We're burning that butter. Good. Reach. 2 more. Good. Hold it right here. Punch. Punch. That's it. Come on. Lift it out. Punch it out. Come on. Give it all you've got right now. No couch potatoes here. Get off that couch and exercise. You'll feel better. You'll look better. You'll get more energy out of it. That's right. Punch. Punch. That's it. Come on. Get out your aggressions right here. Exercise relieves tension. That's it. Good reason to do it, right? No anxiety. Punch it. Couple more, just like this. Okay, now are you ready for our grapevines? Here you go. Ready, start. Grapevine. Good. Really move. Use the space in your home. Great. Move it. Good. Now we're going to add on. Here, hold it. Hold. Good. Grapevine. Hold. Beautiful. Push it. Grapevine. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Keep it moving. Go. Woo. That's it. Get that endurance that you always wanted. Stamina. Vitality. Zest. Yes. This is how you get it right now, right here. Woo. Smile. We're burning fat. Yes, we are. We're where it counts right now in the period of burning fat. Okay, so you can't stop. That's it. Good. Now hold it right here. Hold it. Hold it. Punch it. Good. You're doing great. Single. Single. Now try a double. Great. Single. Single. Double. Beautiful. It's gorgeous out here. That's it. Good. Pull. Stretch. A couple of these. Keep going. I'll be right back to trim your hips and thighs. Keep going. I'll be right back to trim your thighs. Welcome back to beautiful Mexico. Are you ready to trim your hips and thighs? Well, let's get started. Do the best that you can. Stand up nice and tall. Think about good postures. Your tummy in? Great. Take it down, lift out the thigh. Take it down and the other leg. We're now targeting the outer thighs. Take it down and lift out. Beautiful. Really think about using your thigh muscles. This is the best way to reshape those thighs. Downsize your thighs. That's it. Lift it out. Good. Make sure your back stays straight and your abdominal muscles are in. Beautiful. Think about good posture. Your hands are on your thighs for support of your spine. That's great. Take it down and lift up. Take it down and lift up. That's it. Really think about your thigh muscles. Beautiful. That's it. Do you want to have nice, sexy legs? Well, here's your chance right now. Do these. This is one of the fastest ways to reshape the look of those thighs. That's right. Good. And let's add a little arm action here. Why not? Use all the muscles. Good. Beautiful. That's it. Can you feel it yet? I sure can already. Beautiful. Really use your legs. These are great thigh exercises. This also slims the outer part of your hips, which is great for us women. Those are our problem spots. That's right. Hit the spot, thighs, right now. Really use your legs. That's it. Use your legs. Keep your stomach in. You're doing great. Beautiful contours, sexy legs. Great. 2 more. Really feel it. Down. Last one. Great. Take it down. Now take it back. Take it down. Take it back. Good. This is for the buttocks and the back of our thighs. That's it. Squeeze. This is great for that sexy indentation you can get right there. Looks good. That's it. Down, squeeze. Down, squeeze. Really think about squeezing your buttock muscles. That's it. Good. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. You know why? You're worth it. You need to reshape the lower half. That's our problem spots for most women. We're concerned with that lower half. Well, these exercises do it for you. Toning and shaping and sculpting is the answer. That's it. Everybody can do this no matter how old you are. You can exercise with me. That's right. Even my mom, 70 years old, does it. So there's no excuses out there, you guys. Come on. All ages. 2 more. Last one. Squeeze the bottom. Great. Now, legs apart. I want to do some nice lunges. We're going to do pliés. Take it down, take it up, down and up. Let's add little arms. Beautiful. Down and up. Let's make sure you're doing this correctly. Think about good technique here. Is your tummy in? Great. Is your back straight? Great. And don't go too low. Your knees should never go past your toes. Look down and see if your knees are going past your toes. If they are, spread your legs a little further apart to do it correctly. 2 more. 1. Good. This is a good one for the inner thighs. Now pull. Good. Down. Now pull. This is excellent for the inner thighs. Pull. Pull meaning feel it in your inner legs. No more jigglies in there. Come on. Tone and tighten up your inner thighs. That's a great one. Come on. Feel it. Down and lift up. Down and lift through. You're doing great. Come on, this is a good one. No more jigglies. Do you want to have nice, firm inner thighs? This is the exercise. I want you to use your thigh. Pull it. That's it. Down. Pull. Great. Back is straight, tummy in. Gorgeous. That's it. Smile. You're doing something positive for your body. That's it. Stretch it. 2 more. Do the best you can. No more jiggly inner thighs. Come on. Last one. Now hold it. Beautiful. Turn to the side. Ready? We're going to do down and lift. Squeeze and release. That's it. Really use your thigh muscles. This is one of the fastest ways to reshape your thighs. Good. Do you want to lose inches? Well, toning exercises has become the latest way to lose those inches. Yes. Shed away an extra inch around each thigh if you do this with me on a regular basis. Try to exercise with me at least 3 days a week. My goal for you to exercise is 5 mornings a week. That's what I do. Only 30 minutes. But if you do it Monday through Friday, it's a complete workout. Because I work the buns, I work the thighs, the tummy on different days. So you get all the problem spots done in a course of a week. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Switch sides. Ready? Take it down. Lift up. Down. Squeeze the bottom muscles. This is an excellent way to reshape the back half. That's right. The bottom, do you want a nice tight toned rear end? Look great from behind? Well, this is a good exercise. This also reshapes the back of your thigh. That's right, no more cellulite, come on. All it is unused muscle. So let's get that muscle into shape and get rid of that cellulite. Couple more. You're doing great, just keep it up. Keep up that fitness level, good. We're burning calories, we're targeting, we're zoning in right on our hips and thighs. Zero in on those spots. 2 more. Last one. And hold. Hold. Beautiful. Finish it off with some nice squats. Here we go, take it down and up, down and up. Notice that I'm only going halfway. Very important, halfway. This way, keeps your knees healthy and tones those thighs. Take it down and squeeze up. Squeeze the bottom muscles. Down and squeeze the bottom. That's it. Tighten the tush, we got a few more. You can do it, come on. Get up with me and do it. It's worth it. Last one. Gorgeous. Okay, inhale and exhale. Let's stretch out the legs now. If you need to balance on something, go ahead and balance on your couch, a wall, whatever you have there. Hold the stretch. That's it, the hard part's over. You did it, I'm proud of you. Stomach in, gorgeous. Oh, it feels so good to stretch. It's one of the best ways to reduce tension and anxiety is to stretch away the stress. Oh, it feels great. And to the other leg. Lift it up. Try to balance. Hold, hold. Feel that stretch in the front of your thigh. That's great. Hold it. You're doing great. Inhale. Try to hold the stretch for about 10 seconds. Ultimately, 15 would be even better. It takes about that much time to really loosen up. That's right. Okay, swing your arms up and swing them down. And deep breath in and out. Beautiful. And let's stretch the body. Stretch the body. Beautiful. Stretching your legs. We used our thighs a lot today. That's it. Beautiful day. You're gonna make it a great day because you did something positive for yourself. Now change those negative thinking and negative thoughts into positive ones. Retrain your thinking. You are worth it. Say you can do it. That's it. Switch. Beautiful. Exercise is one of the best ways to really reduce the tension and anxiety. That's right. One deep breath for all of us. Inhale up. Cleansing breath. Exhale out. One more. Inhale up. And exhale. Give yourself a big hand. You did great. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Here's a little Denisiology. Today we're going to talk about presenting yourself, how to have better body language. Did you know that you're the architect of your own body? By the way you sit, by the way you stand, it can tell a lot about you. So next time, think about it. Sit up nice and tall. If you're standing there with slouched shoulders, you look sad, depressed. But if you stand up nice and tall, you look a little more confident, happier. That's the way I want you to look. So think about it. Keep your chin up. Your mom always told you that. Well, it means something because you know what? This is how the world sees you, how they perceive you. So remember, think about good posture, smile on your face, and approach someone with a nice attitude. Walk up there with good body language and you'll see better response, more positive responses. So today I want you to think about it, good posture, you are the architect of your own body, and go out and make it a great day. And I'll see you next right here on the Daily Workout. Bye-bye.